Hello everyone, today I'm playing Fire Night Pumpkin Fever Town. Okay, story mode, replay, options, jukebox, gallery, story mode it is. Let's start with the trail. I've been in this rookie's outfit and every time I think about this game, I'm people trust you. Let me in. Stop talking to me. I'm trying to try attacking the next person with rock. You are all information. Straight to sleep. These handcuffs of yours are ready to admit a very strong sense that you feel so much something about it. We wouldn't want you to get hurt. Don't look bad on the names. Speaking of news, tomorrow is your trial. You are going again. I've gotta say it will be interesting. We never had a trial where we don't know the name of the defendant. Honestly, I don't let put that out of you quickly. Oh, sorry. I'll hurt your feelings and don't worry. I'm sure what they will do to you will make me seem like a joke. Again. Yo? Hey, wake up. Huh? What? You're having a nightmare. Something like that, at least. Well, thanks for waking me up. Where was I? We were heading to bed? No, I should finish this work. We're keeping this. Wow! Until moving up will annoy me. So you can draw on those papers some more? No. There's no need to rush things now. Yeah, I know. I wish I could sleep without you drifting awake a few minutes, and I still wish you'd tell me more. I will soon. Sorry, it's just annoying. Well, I can think of a way we can help you relax. Oh yeah, sure. Cool. I prefer playing some mods or for the real FNF, and it feels relaxing instead of playing a Roblox version of Friday Night Funkin'. I really like the song. I didn't know that there was a cutscene. Oof. Oh, come on. 11 combo breaks. Yeah, sure. I don't know why, but it shows that the V2 is clean. It's kind of scary for some players. Well, I hate scary, but I'm still learning how to do things by myself and not get scared. Nice job, you haven't lost your touch, it seems. See, I've still got it. I'm surprised my focal first art. Wow, again! Shattered after. Oh no. It's nothing really. It's always nothing, isn't it? Yeah, I know. Maybe I should cut that wow again out a bit. But hey, I'm just glad I can still sing without getting too tired. Yeah, I'd say that was really cute. Oh, thanks, babe. Huh? You heard that too? Hey, what? Here? What are you doing here? And how did you get in here? Wait, what does it look like I'm doing? I'm doing my own insecurities to Ursu. Your position as mayor of Fevertown, obviously. Like I ever let you do that. See what the wow again did he just say? I think he said he wants to title as mayor of Fevertown. That's wow again. Why would I ever give up my title to you? Who are you? Well, accept rule that you need to accept any and all challenges related to your title. What a dumb rule. Who came up with that again? You did, dummy. Oh yeah. Wait, is there something wrong? Or is there good? Oh yeah. Oh, 8 minutes. I need to stop deleting while writing up. But that's beside the point. How you even get in here? Though the same hole I used to pee. So that's where mosquitoes are coming from. We have mosquitoes? By far the worst bugs on this planet. Yeah, me too. Whatever, back to you. What do you mean you wanna take my position? You're too laid back to even handle a position like mine. Unlike you, I'm a furry. What? He's not wrong. Besides, these things have been boring ever since I got here. This place needs more chaos like the old days. I already have the perfect smear companion already. You've only been here for like a month. People will you surely begin to understand that we'll have a lot more fun when I'm ruling over. I think the suit fits me a lot better than it ever will on you. Wouldn't you agree? Just look at how silly you are. Doesn't looking into a mirror hurts? 10 minutes, man, that's so. What? I'm ruling back. Yes. Well, yes, why am I? You're not black. You're Hispanic. Not true. I'm a demon. Then why do you keep saying Hispanic? Not now, then. They still copied my hairdo and make fun of it. And for that, they have to learn who is in charge around here. The government can. He also gave me a headache just by talking. Shouldn't I could say a lot more if you want. Just give me the mic and hurry up. Let's hurry. Yeah, cause I only have 11 minutes. I have 11 minutes right now. Where's the arrows? Oh, come on. Well, I guess I'll just continue tomorrow, I guess. So yeah, bye.